everyone, this is Fai, and today I'm going to show you a super easy lightweight makeup for this hot summer. You don't even need an eyeshadow palette to create this look.
Are you looking for a therapist? Are you looking for a friend?
If you want to know how to do this makeup look, watch this video until the end. Let's start. I'm going to apply a face mist all over my face, and don't forget to apply sunscreen too as the base makeup. Now, I'm going to show you the new type of foundation that I found. The formula is super watery, and as you can see, it has microparticles in it. It will melt right away when you apply it onto the skin. It looks darker, but when you blend it out, the color quickly adjusts with your skin tone color. And look, it looks almost the same like my own skin. This foundation is perfect for a light makeup during summer, especially if you plan to have some outdoor activities under the sun. It has low coverage, but it's buildable. This time, I'm going to apply 2 layers all over my face. I'm using brush to blend it because the makeup sponge will definitely absorb the foundation easily, and I think it's such a waste. It's not sticky and it's safe for sensitive skin. At least I didn't have any breakouts after wearing it for more than 8 hours. And it barely leaves any stains on your mask as well. The weather has been very hot lately, and it inspired me to create this video. You can skip this step if you don't have any dark circles. Since this foundation has low coverage, it will not cover my dark circles. And then, since I want to keep the natural glowy skin look, I'm not gonna apply the powder. Let's draw the eyebrows. I'm going to make the eyebrows look natural, and to avoid the hard lines, I'm going to use eyebrow powder first. And then use eyebrow pencil to fill in any areas which cannot be reached by the eyebrow brush. Next, I'm going to do the main point of this makeup look. This is super easy. Take a pink lip tint, and then I'm going to draw fake symbols onto some parts of my face. Now let's blend it out by using a cushion puff. This is enough to create some nuance and dimension onto the face. And after that, I'm going to set the color by applying a pastel pink blusher on top of it, like this. Make sure not to apply too much. Now, I'm going to apply a little bit of dark brown color from the eyebrow powder onto my eyelids, just to read my eyes and give definition to the eyes. And next, I'm going to create the eyeshadow. Apply pastel pink under eyeliner first onto the lower lid. And then to give an accent, I'm going to apply a little bit of champagne glitter on top of it. Next, I'm going to line my eyes with a dark brown pen liner. Make sure to draw the eyeliner as thin as possible to create a light eye makeup look. Next, I'm going to do the contour. Since I'm going with a pink shade for this summer look, I choose cool tone shading for the contour. And for the lips, I'm going to create a soft blur lips effect. Apply a light purplish pink lip tint all over the lips. If you have small lips like me, you can stick your lips together and do this yum thing. I don't know what to call it. It will create a blur of lines around your lips, and it will make your lips look bigger naturally. And then apply a magenta pink lip tint on top of it. For the upper lips, apply only on the inner part like this, and add a little bit of color onto the kiwi bow like this. Now I'm going to finish off their makeup by applying falsies and mascara. I'm using a brown mascara so that their makeup will look super natural. Alright, the makeup is on.
You could have me at 100%. I was in it.
This is the makeup look. It's super easy, right? It's not heavy at all to the point I don't feel like I'm wearing any makeup. I hope this tutorial can be useful for you, and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!